Okay, we're going to talk about two types of nephrons and answer the questions. What are the two types of nephrons? What's the difference in their functions? And what is the difference in their blood supply? Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Morton, and I'm the noted anatomist. So nephrons are the functional unit of the urinary system, and there's approximately 1 million nephrons in each of our kidneys. And of those million, there are two types of nephrons. One are the cortical nephrons, and two are the juxtamedullary nephrons. And to discuss both of these and their functional significance and topography, let's take a look at this illustration. That white line separates the cortex, the renal cortex, from the renal medulla. Let's do that again, except zoom up. That white line represents the renal cortex from the renal medulla. These nephrons that you see primarily in the cortex are called appropriately cortical nephrons, located in the renal cortex. The glomeruli are located in the outer cortex, and they have these short loops of Henle, some of which just dip into the medulla, as this illustration shows. Think of it walking along a swimming pool and you dip your toe in the water. Here I've just illustrated now a bunch of these different cortical nephrons. They're the major part of the regulatory and excretory functions of the human body. That's what happens. That's what's carried out in these cortical nephrons there. Now take a look at this one. This is called a juxtamedullary nephron. It gets its name because it's right next to the medulla. The glomerulus is right next to the medulla, and it has these long loops of Henle that penetrate deep into the medulla. Now think of if the medulla is a swimming pool, you're in the swimming pool and you come up and you put your arms just on the side of the pool. This juxtamedullary nephron, I put these two asterisks there, establishes the very salty medulla, that renal medulla, which is function is to conserve water. And so there we can see that the medulla, the renal medulla near the cortex has an osmolarity of 300 milliosmoles per kilogram. But look, as you descend down deeper, it gets very concentrated to 1200 milliosmoles per kilogram. And we add them all here. So there's the cortical nephrons. They're like 85% of the million nephrons in one kidney are cortical nephrons. Now the juxtamedullary nephrons only comprise 15%. But then if we zoom out, notice that both the cortical and juxtamedullary nephrons all dump into the collecting ducts. Those stripes that you see, they're gray stripes you see in the renal medulla, the renal pyramid, that's showing the collecting ducts. And collecting ducts receive tubular fluid from both types of nephrons, cortical and juxtamedullary nephrons. And those collecting ducts descend the medulla, and then they dump the tubular fluid that becomes urine into the minor calyx. There's the cortex and medulla, and let's superimpose an illustration that shows the two types of nephrons. There's our cortical nephron, and the afferent glomerular arteriole provides blood supply to the glomerulus, that first capillary, and the efferent glomerular arteriole transports blood away into the second capillary bed called the peritubular capillaries. The second capillary bed, as its name implies, surrounds the renal tubules, around the tubules in the renal cortex. Their function is to reabsorb water and much of the solutes that were originally filtered at the glomerulus. Here's the juxtamedullary nephron. It also has afferent arteriole, supplies the glomerulus, and then the efferent arteriole exits. But its second capillary is called the Vasa recta. Vasa for vessel, recta for straight. This second capillary is around these long loops of Henle that descend down deep into the medulla. Their function is also reabsorption of water and solutes. But they have a second function, that is the counter-current exchanger, which helps maintain the salty renal medulla that was established by the counter-current multiplier system. So there we have the two types of nephrons, and that, my friends, are the two types of nephrons in a nutshell.